Dr. Amanda with Straightsmile Solutions, straightsmilesolutions.com, and today we're going to talk about step-by-step treatment plans. And this is maybe more for a phase 1 case or for a braces case. Obviously, for an aligner case, there's no step-by-step treatment plan. By that I mean, like, okay, we put this wire in, then 3 months later we put this wire in, then we're going to use a power chain here and a spring here and a class 2 elastic here, that kind of thing. There are a few labs and IDB companies who are doing step-by-step treatment plans. Now, I would like to, without calling any of them out, I have been on the forums of some of them, asked to help staff them way back in a previous life, and this doesn't work. I mean, the damage that I see done from step-by-step treatment plans is just ridiculous. You guys are trusting in these treatment plans, and there's just no way. Any orthodontist is going to tell you they may have a rough idea, like, I'm going to go up my normal wire sequence, which I have a ton of videos just on wire sequence. If you just watch the videos on wire sequence, you don't need a step-by-step treatment plan. You just don't rush the steps. There's just standard steps orthodontists do. Occasionally there's a one-off, but for the most part, we go through our standard steps. We do our level and align. We make sure the wire is passive, very, very passive. Then we take a progress panel. We check for bracket repositions. We do our bracket repositions while we're still in a leveling wire. During that time, there's no elastics. There's no power chain. These are the main things. We're not fixing midlines. We're not fixing AP. All we're doing is leveling and aligning, assuming you picked the right case, right? And then we're going to work our way up into heavier wires. Then we're going to start consolidating spaces if there is. We're going to fix AP if there's an issue. We're going to work on midlines. And that's pretty much how it goes. So no, there's no step-by-step treatment plans, but what we do with our concierge and our VIP program, or even our premium, is that every month you can submit photos of your case and we can go over what's the next step and what might the next step be after that. We do the same thing in an orthodontic treatment plan in an office. We do next visit, change wires if this and this is done, or if this tooth is aligned, change wires, We don't make a step-by-step treatment plan. We just have a rough, very, very rough treatment plan, and we just take it as we go. So everything is an estimate. Every patient responds differently, and you're not going to be sure how the patient is going to respond, 6 months from now. So hopefully that helps. All right, thanks so much.